1985 Chevy C10. She can use paint and body, but she's in great shape, guys. Frame and floor pans are solid. Just one spot back behind this rear tire right here that I found. These are what I like to call nice father and son projects. She got a 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Interior is beautiful. She can be a nice little daily. Nice little work truck. Or you can go all out and restore. You gotta love a C10, guys. And it wouldn't take that much to bring her back. Check out the bed. Driver side frame and floor pan. Passenger side. As y'all can see, she nice and solid. Interior's in good condition. She got power windows, power locks. Dash is in excellent shape. Seat nice and clean. Engine bay is nice and clean and stock, just how you want it. She got a 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has power brakes, power steering, AC, all the creature comforts. Start her up. It's running like a sewing machine, guys. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Y'all have a good one.